Back to product zone. Today we have a brand new smart hummingbird feeder with a camera, BF10, BPA free. Imagine never missing a hummingbird visit. How incredible that would be, because this camera will capture it right here. Unbox and see what's inside on this beautiful hummingbird. If I'm a big fan of birds, I'm a bird lover, and this is incredible. Let's see. We open up the box. You have, whoa, lots of instruction and helpful stuff. This is really good. Really good. Everything, as I read it up before, it tells you every single thing, how to set it up, including the app, how to download the app. You could just probably scan the app right here. This is a really good company. You got really good review. Tells you the bird feeding guide, every single thing you need as for a beginner. It's not my first bird home, but it's my first hummingbird, so this is pretty cool. I'm excited for this. Tells you everything step by step. So it comes with a charger and everything. Let's get everything out. All right, so what's in the box? We have the beautiful system right here. Wow, looks like it really made well. Good quality. I like that. It look like we have these parts to go on here so the hummingbird will rest, sits there, and or stand up and drink their stuff. These are the hooks. We have, these are the mouth. This is the head parts that the hummingbird will be drinking right through. We could do different colors. Love that. We have a charger, and as a bonus, which I gotta tell you, I'm impressed and I love about this company, they send all the cleaning stuff, so you could clean it every time you want to refill. You know, it's always good to take care of your stuff and clean it. So this way is good. So you could see everything is like see through there. Oh, this is amazing, incredible. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, so it's gonna blow away or it's gonna be too heavy to break your branch. Nope, it's actually perfect. So we're gonna go ahead and just set this up. It's easy. And before we do anything, I will go ahead and plug it into charge, make sure we're full power. I just put it up here for now. Add some nectar inside the camera. I just hooked it up to the app. It was easy to install and hooked up. It's not much stuff you have to do. You just follow the step. But I'm eventually gonna move this to the backyard garden maybe. So we're gonna see how it goes. As soon as I get my first hummingbird coming up, I will show you guys, keep you guys updated. And details, check in the description box below. It's a really good quality overall. It's a good hummingbird feeder with camera.